Hello, my friends. I hope you're okay. Yes, Nazas Habiba is here to talk to you about mathematics. Actually, I prefer saying talk to you about mathematics. We've been talking about addition, and we've been saying addition is putting things together. You bring what you have and put them together. We have different ways of can come up with an answer. We can use counters. You can use whatever is around you. You count this, count that, and put it together. What you're doing is addition. We can put the big number in the head and the small number in the figure. I told you, it's just so simple. Previously, we talked about adding using a number line. And we said a number line is simply a number having lines. And then what you have to put in mind is we are moving in steps. So in number line, we are moving in steps. Yes, we even talked about adding. And I remember the answer we were having had 2 digits in the ones column. We had a number like 58. And I kept on telling you how we should use a side work so that we do not congest our work. We said 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. And I remember telling you, because these are 2 digits, we cannot just put them there. We are just simply showing that 8 plus 2 is a 10. But 10 is having 2 digits, whereby one of the digits is supposed to go in its right place value. So the 0 will come in ones, and the 1 will be carried to its proper place value, which is tens. We did this. If you find any problems with this, please visit the previous lessons. But I hope you're not. So 1 plus 5, we should always start with this number we carried because we do not want to forget it. 1 plus 5, then plus 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Is it? Yes, and we carry our answer, put it there. I have a feeling by the time you're watching this video, you can now do this number. You can add with regrouping. That is what I'm thinking. Well, today I want us to look at word problems in addition. Word problems in addition. It's still addition, okay? But we are extracting the numbers from sentences. Okay? We're extracting the numbers from sentences. I have the first word problem. Anna has 3 apples. Anna has 3 apples. That is Anna. Rona has 8 apples. I think Rona is Anna's friend. Rona has 8 apples. And then our problem is here. They ask us, how many apples do they have all together? All together. They're asking us if Anna has 3 apples, Rona has 8 apples. How many apples do they have all together? Now, what am I going to do? They're saying, I have to find out the apples they have all together. All right. We are going to look for a keyword that tells us what we're going to do. All together means all of them. Okay? And we said putting things together is to add them. Putting things together is to add. So, we are going to add Anna and Rona's apples. All right? But this is a trick I'm going to give you. One thing you should do is to circle the numbers that are in the word problems. And in this case, the first number here is 3. I circle it. Do you know why I circle? It's so that I can see them clearly. Yes, I'm circling 3. And another number is 8. So I have Anna. And then, you know what I will do? I will underline the key word. And the key word in this case is all together. Because the word all together is telling me what to do. Okay? So the word all together is asking me to put things together. Putting them together means to add. So I'll bring the numbers. I'll say 3 plus 8 equals, I will use the plus because of this word all together. And the word all together means to add. So, do I have any friend of mine who is watching me now and cannot carry out this number? I don't think I have. No. So I can draw balls. I can decide to draw balls. I'll draw balls here. 1 neatly, 2, 3. And also draw how many balls here? Tell your friend. How many balls? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my addition simply asks me to put them together. Count them all. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my answer is 11. But 11 what? They all had apples. So my answer is 11 apples. 11 apples. You can write like this, or you can you can write like this and then get your ruler and double underline. When you double underline in mathematics, it means you are sure of your answer. And you saw, shows how neat you are. Yes. It shows how neat you are. I told you and I keep telling you, mathematics is so simple. But you have to do is to keep practicing. If you do not practice, if you rest, it also rusts. Well, let's go and see another example. Another example, example 2. Example 2 says, Jane has 12 eggs. Maybe she's going to bake a cake or something. Ruth has 7 eggs. They both have dash eggs. Yes, Jen has 12 eggs. Ruth has 7 eggs. They both have dash eggs. Have you seen the word both? That means 2. It's the same as all together. It is calling for addition. You're going to add. First step, I told you, is to circle the numbers involved. When you circle them, I told you it becomes so easy. You know, I always want you to make things easy for yourself. Okay? If you don't circle them, you might take a lot of time looking around for the number. Where is the number? What am I going to do? What am I dealing with? So, but if you circle them, you know. Okay? I am now dealing with 12 and 7. So, 12 and 7. But what am I going to do with them? I am having the keyword here, which is both. And both is calling for addition. Okay? Plus 7. Hey, 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is equal, I don't know. Let's find out. 12. This time we are going to use another way. Let's put the big number in the head and the small number on the fingers. Put it. Which one is the bigger number? Yes, the bigger number is 12 and the small number is 7. So I'll put the big number in the head and I count 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these are 7 fingers. All right? And I'm putting the big number in the head. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. As simple as that. I've not drawn balls. I've not stressed myself. I've just sat there and I was able to get the answer. So 12 plus 7 is, you remember the answer? 19. 19. But remember, here we're just trying to work out. They left for us a dash here. Okay? Pick up your answer and put it there, because if you don't put it there, you've not answered the question. The dash is there, so transfer your answer and put it there. So Jen has 12 eggs, Ruth has 7 eggs. They both have 19 eggs. So simple. All right, they can also bring in another word. Hey. Increase 26 by 3. Increase 26 by 3. The word increase should not confuse you. It's like add. Okay? Yes, add more on what you have. So on the 26 you have, please add more 3. So you have your 26 and add more 3. Okay? 26 plus 3, what is that? 26 plus 3. I'm still continuing with putting the big number in the head and the small number on the finger. Okay? It becomes so simple, so easy, and so fun. So 26 in my head and 3 on my fingers. 26, 27, 28, 29. So my answer here is 29. They have just told me to increase 26 by 3. If they ask you, when you find the word increase, increase, add no, order on what you have. Okay? Yes. All right. I believe you can, find so many other numbers. You can carry out so many other numbers. You can set for yourself so many other numbers of word problems and work them out. Why not? Okay? I'm giving you a few numbers for exercise, which I believe you'll add more. Okay? Don't just say, she gave us 3, I will stop at 3, I will not add on. No. Keep adding. You can create your own word problems and then work them out. All right? Stay good, children. I love you. Bye-bye.